Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up free web hosting using Netlify for a static modern website. Before we start, I should let you know right away that Netlify does not support PHP websites. So if you're using PHP, you can't use this free hosting service. But if you're using JavaScript, HTML, CSS, you're good to go. Alright, to get started, just go to netlify.com, log in or sign up. I'm going to log in using GitHub. You can sign in with these other options as well. I really recommend a Git provider because you can just easily create a repository and host your website from that repository. So any changes you make, any files you add, it will automatically update your website as well. So let's log in with GitHub. Alright, it might ask you to authorize. You can just do that easily, but it didn't for me this time. You can see I already have a website up and running. 100 gigabytes of bandwidth is the free trial. I mean trial, but like it never ends. So it's just a free version. And yeah, this is your dashboard. I'm going to create a new site from Git. That's what you would do. Connect my GitHub. Alright, and you can scroll down and you can select one of the repositories. I have this repository set up for this video, test. If I go over here, it's just a very basic HTML website that just says hello world. But yeah, everything default should be fine, so you can just deploy the website. It's gonna take a second. Alright, so the site is up and running. If we just click this default URL that we're given, it'll take us to the website. You can see there's nothing here because I made a mistake. So we can easily just go to my GitHub, go to style.css, and let me just edit this. The H2 color, let's make it black, and also let's also add some padding, 20 pixels around it. And then let's commit the changes. And then you should wait like 10, maybe 15 seconds. And then if you refresh, it should pop up. There we go. All right, so you can just make changes to your GitHub and it will publish it again. And there we go, your site is up and running. You could easily modify it using your GitHub and the updates will be published, I think like every 10 to 15 seconds. If you make a lot of updates back to your GitHub, then it might just wait like 1 or 2 minutes because it doesn't want to keep updating if it knows you're going to keep making changes. So it's just going to wait a minute. Yeah, otherwise you can just tweak the site settings or the domain settings. The site settings, it's just the basic add-ons, your badges. You can add some other members to work with you. Danger zone, whoa. You can also do forms instead of PHP. I have not messed with this, so I'm not really sure. Identity, signups, logins, and password recovery, and large media. If you have large assets you want to share or download. You can also go to domain settings, and this is really easy. You just you add your custom domain if you have it bought from another provider like Namecheap or GoDaddy or something like that, and you can add it here and it will tell you that it's already registered and you should just connect it or reroute it to Netlify, and that's done using DNS. Otherwise, if it's like a website that hasn't been taken already, it's available. You can register it for $12, apparently this one, from Netlify itself, and they will do your DNS and your certificates for you. That's the word. But yeah, it's really good. It also gives you free certificates automatically if you add your own custom domain from another provider, which is really good. You can branch subdomains. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The certificate, I'll give it to you for free. Sorry, one more thing. You can also edit this default name. You can name it like Farzan's test. And if it's available, it'll give it to you. Yeah, there we go. Farzan's test.netlify.app. Fantastic, right? So it gives you, oh no, I closed it. It gives you a pretty good name for free if that's all you need. But yeah, you can also go to your actual team. And then this is all where your websites are. This is all the builds, all the published websites. You can go to your domains here as well. You can add or register a domain. You can see from my website, let me just show you real quick, domain settings. I have this domain registered and set up. This is tweaking, I don't know why, but it's fine. And I connected the DNS using Namecheap. It tells you what to do step by step. It does it here as well. Create an A record on my Namecheap. That's easy, but I'm just lazy. And then down here, it gives me a free certificate. And yeah, I can renew the certificate or send my own custom one. But yeah, that's basically Netlify and free web hosting for a modern, simple website. I hope you enjoyed this short, quick, fast video. A lot of adjectives there. But yeah, comment down if you have any troubles, and I'll try to help you guys. See you next time.